Let's see how the sound is. Okay, here we go. We're getting adjusted here. Okay. Good morning. Put a one in the chat if you can hear me, ladies and gentlemen. Put a one in the chat if you can hear me. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Put a one in the chat, ladies and gentlemen, if you can hear me. Okay, good, good. Okay, here's the update. We are waiting for Ernesto Williams, his attorney, to show up to the court. We've been here since the very beginning, so we're waiting for his attorney to show up. I'm told that the attorney's about another 30 minutes away. He's about another 30 minutes away. But yes, Sonia is in the courtroom right now. Sonia is in the courtroom. Okay, so I'm on a tablet, and I'm looking for, I don't know what, I got the brand new tablet. I don't know where the camera's at. But anyway, so there are going to be arguments from the prosecution. Mr. Will Wooten is here. He is the lead prosecutor, and also have another member of the media legal team for AJC and WSB who will be arguing in opposition of Nesto Williams's request to keep the media out. And I too will be arguing for Hip Hop Inquirer as to why the media needs access to this case. And you guys are gonna obviously see it in real time. So with that said, we are just waiting. I'm actually at the courthouse right now. And, Sonia's sitting in the back of the courtroom. Perhaps we'll get some pictures of her once we go on camera. But I was reminded this morning by Prosecutor Wooten. He made it known to the court that Mr. Byron's here to argue his motion as well. So I guess I got to argue my motion. Yeah, so let me just tell you who's not here. Interesting, this individual is mentioned in the motion, in the prosecution motion. Infamous Sylvia is mentioned in the prosecution's motion as to why this case should not be gagged as it relates to the prosecution. But she's not here. She's not in the courtroom. I would have thought she would have wanted to show up and let the judge know she's here to be a representative of the media. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, she's not. My guess is she's at the YSL trial right now. But this is interesting that her name is all throughout the prosecution's motion. So we're going to see if she pulls up to the courtroom, because I do plan on mentioning her in my argument, as you guys will see. And then I'm going to guess it's not a guarantee, but I'm going to guess this judge is probably going to err on the side of the law as it relates to the First Amendment and media's right to have access. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh yeah, Sonia is definitely here. She is definitely here. And we will if she stays in the courtroom, we will have pictures of her. I just didn't take any pictures of her because until the case is actually called, I can't take any pictures of her. Oh, who's coming for sure? Okay. Who else is in the courtroom? Well, Pamela's not in the courtroom, but her videographer's in the courtroom. So let's see how that plays out. Okay. Okay, you guys may hear some noises because people walk out the courtroom, but stand by. I'm going to angle my camera here so I can put this on standby.
It's your fucking brother.
Hold on, hold on a second. Okay. All right, guys. This is a better angle for me anyway. You guys, how's this angle? What do you think about this angle? You like this angle? All right, listen. If we're going to go live, if you guys want me to go live, you're going to have to support this. You're going to have to share this. You're going to have to tell a friend because we got the cameras set up in the courtroom. And I guarantee you we won't have a sound issue at all. Okay, so Pam's not here. Her camera person's here. Pam's not here. I hadn't seen her in the courtroom. Unless she's going to pop out and show out. I don't know. But we'll see. Okay, guys, listen. It's 165 of you watching right now. Hit the thumbs up button if you're going to support this. And this is going to be the first of 2 streams because we are going to be streaming when the cameras are up. So it should have happened already. Someone said, "What time's the hearing?" Well, because Ernesto's lawyer is not here right now, we can't proceed. They need him because he's going to have to argue for his client why the media shouldn't be in the courtroom. So yes, it's a matter of, he was in another county, and that county is probably about 40 minutes away. Then I was just told by the prosecution that his ETA is probably around cutting down to 40 minutes, and that was probably about 20 minutes ago, so we'll see. If it doesn't happen before lunch, it will definitely happen after lunch because, that gives him more than enough time. And I think he probably is going to, I think the lawyer's probably going to be best ready after lunch. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we have Queen Lily in the building. She's actually here to cover this case with me. We also have Dana Jackson's in the building. He came in on his own. And there are other people that are here in the building that know who I am, but I don't know who they are. Well, in the courtroom. So someone had just tapped me on the shoulder and said, "Hey, Mr. Byron." I'm like, hello. Did Woody send you? All right, guys, listen. This is crazy. You guys, 190 watching. I need for you guys to hit the thumbs up. I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna hold off for a second. Hit the thumbs up. Let me know you guys are supporting what we're doing today, or I'll just wait and show you the video tonight when the hearing's concluded. Now I'm not gonna wait till tonight because we got competition in the courtroom. So you know what, my stuff is coming out pretty quickly. We ain't playing with you, but you still got to hit the like button. You got to hit the thumbs up button. This right here, this motion for the gag order is something you really rarely see when it's involved in the media in Georgia. It's because this individual decided that perhaps the coverage is not favorable to him. I mean, you got to know that many people have covered this case. You have bloggers, you have some celebrity names attached. Stand by, guys. Hold on. Stand by, guys. Stand by. Okay, so that's just one of the cases that someone's come out on. Come here. Say hello. Say hello to everybody. We live.
Hola.
So you gotta get in front of the camera.
Hola, how y'all doing?
You can sit down here. Sit down. So she came in popping with that red lipstick. She knows she's shining. So are we on break?
Yeah, we on break.
Until what?
We're on a lunch break. I don't know how long we on break.
Okay. So
Sir, how long we on break? How long we on the break?
about an hour. Okay. So Lily, talk to the people. Lily, talk to the people. Okay.
I'm up here with Dennis, the old man. Now just
The old man. Girl, I'll run circles around you on the track. Don't play with me.
he could never, ever.
Okay, there goes. Look at Sonia.
How you doing?
Okay, there goes Sonia's walking. Well, you want to get it? Let me try to interview her. I'll try to interview her. Sonia, she just walked. Sonia just walked. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna head downstairs. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. Let's go walk. I need to interview the probation officer. I don't know. I got to find a story to do on the probation and how it works in the state of Georgia. I know you got to get clearance from the supervisor, but I think it would be probably prudent for people to understand the role that you play as a servant, public servant. What do you think? You agree, right? At some point. I got a mic sitting next to you, by the way. You saw the one over there? When you sit down there, when you sit in the booth, it's one over there. So it's not hot, so to let you know that.
I had covered Tasha, she had a Carter B case, but it was it flowed a little different, you know?
Well, that's federal court. That was a big difference.
This is different from federal court.
So this is the first time you covered a case. Well,
Queen Lily. I've been like covering like the election lately.
oh, she's doing a great job in the election.
I love politics.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. How are y'all doing? Do y'all know this crazy fella?
Oh my God. This is what, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I deal with on a daily basis. Let's go down. Let's go down. Going down? Excuse me. Yeah. So, I'm sorry. I was getting this corner real quick.
Sorry. Going down. Hello.